Being a developer is amazing. You will be able to earn lots of money. You will be able to get a job easily if you know how to code. And moreover, that you will be able to build amazing things which people can literally go into the Google and see it. Moreover, that it's just that it's awesome to become a web developer. Now, the first thing you need to ask yourself is why you want to become a web developer. Is it for the money? Is it for getting fame? Is it for getting job in big tech companies? Or is it for just building one website for one business and earning money out of it? Whatever may be the reason, you just need to make sure you know that why you want to become a web developer. Without reason, nothing works in life. You are going for a school and you have no idea why you are going. That we all have faced in our life. And at some point in time, you might have wondered, like, why am I even learning mathematics or something like that? But being a web developer, it's not about going to school and learning. It's about making choice that yes, I want to build website and I want to earn money through it and I want to start doing it. So just make sure that you figure out why you want to become a web developer, and once you figure it out, let's just try to understand how to become one. So first thing is first, you need to learn HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS is just basic building block of web. So wherever you go, whatever the website you visit, whatever you see in the screen is just made up of HTML and CSS. Yes, there are lots of other technologies involved, but the thing is, at the end of the day, it's just HTML and CSS, whatever people see. So because of that, learning HTML and CSS is mandatory. Go ahead, take one paid course, or go ahead and take one free course. Don't stick to it for long time, maybe like months, years, thinking like it's something which you need lots of practice. It's not like that. You just learn it how much ever you can, maybe like 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, maybe 1 month. Build projects, build 2-3 websites using just HTML and CSS. That time you'll learn it, and once you learn it, we can proceed to next thing is you need to learn JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language of web. So whenever we go to the browser, we see HTML and CSS. But no matter what do we do in that website, maybe clicking a button, maybe writing something and sending data, like logging in by entering your username and password, no matter what do you do, it's entirely working because of JavaScript. There are so many frameworks which are available to learn once you learn JavaScript, but learning JavaScript is important. Once you learn JavaScript, maybe spend like 1 month or 2 months in it. Once you spend that particular time and you know what is JavaScript and how to click button and make something happen on the screen, once you are familiar with all those things, you can learn some kind of framework. Maybe React, maybe Vue.js, maybe Angular, doesn't matter, but try to learn something. If you don't have any idea what to do, then just go ahead and learn React. You will be able to build website from it, and eventually if your company needs Angular or Vue.js, no problem, you can switch to it. I have lots of friends who learned React and they become really good at it, and now they are working in Vue.js or Angular. So because of that, no problem. Once you learn JavaScript, go ahead and learn React. Once you learn React, you will be able to build amazing quality of website, and you can go ahead and you can join those freelancing site and start earning money right away. After you learned it, there is little bit more option to earn little bit more, as well as to increase opportunity a lot. That's to learn backend. There is two options broadly, if I say. One is to learn Firebase and just use it for all kind of project, maybe building e-commerce site using it, maybe building some kind of appointment booking system using it, whatnot. But just learn it, and once you learn it, you will be able to use it right away. And it's little bit easier for beginners to get started with it, because authentication and images, hosting, everything is taken care by Firebase. You just have to pay it, and lots of clients are also fine with it, or there is like really amazing free tier in it, and there are alternative to Firebase also, which are mostly absolutely free. If you don't want to learn Firebase or like such technologies using React, also using React to learn Firebase is also very easy. It's not like very tough for something like that. If you know React, if you know how to read one documentation, then learning Firebase is not at all a problem. You can go ahead and you can learn it. But if you don't want to learn Firebase and if you want to get like little bit better opportunity in corporate world and all, that time you can go ahead and learn something called as Node.js. Node.js is a backend framework. Not necessarily that you have to learn Node.js. Learn any kind of other backend framework also. Maybe PHP and Laravel is also amazing choice. Or if you're Python freak, then Django is amazing. It's also one of the backend framework. Once you learn this backend framework, you will be able to do exactly same things which you can do it in Firebase. Authentication, sending emails probably, or hosting it, and all those things are available in all the framework I mentioned. So learning backend will help you to become a full stack developer, and full stack developer means you will be earning little bit more money compared to just front end developer. That's why if you want to become purely backend developer, that's also fine. You will be able to explore it and you will be able to get a job in that field also. And once you learn backend, there is like nothing more to do in the web development. Maybe learning database if you want to learn it in little bit too deep way. But most of the companies use DBA to do all the database administration, and even whatever the database things are happening, it will be happening using JavaScript ORM, meaning you won't be able to go beyond your coding in and manage database. Whatever you are doing, you will be doing it in coding only. So that's there. And now the thing is, how do I become one? Like I want to become web developer now. Okay, fine. Go ahead. You have YouTube and search for some HTML and CSS. Maybe Brad Traversy or Hitesh Chowdhury or some other dudes videos might pop up. Go ahead, learn it, take that class. It's amazing. And once you learn it, you know how to build a front-end website and try to build something using it. After that, just follow whatever I said in the video and you'll be able to get a decent job in few months after you struggle little bit harder every single day. And why you need to code every single day, here is one video about it, and you can watch it here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.